What's going on, everybody? It's Austin with Dry Tight Roofing. Want to show y'all a project I just completed here in White House, Tennessee. So these are the Govee permanent outdoor lights, the Govee Pros. Love these lights. So I've been installing them. This is my second year installing them. I can say I've gotten a lot better at it. And so yeah, I just want to show y'all how this job turned out. So right now they got it set on the Christmas setting. So we went all the way around the house on this project, which I think is totally awesome. I mean, hey, go big or go home, right? Not only did we do the house, they have a pool house back here. Hey, doggy. How you doing? Hey, you like the new lights? Yeah. Y'all like the new lights? Oh yeah, they do. Also did the pool house over here. Check it out. All the way down. Look at how straight, look at that straight line. Yeah, so every light I do a 3-inch space. I use a little spacer, homemade little spacer. Basically keeps everything the same distance off the wall. So you get consistent light patterning off the wall. I even try my best to even them out when you get to the top, so everything looks consistent all the way down, instead of having like one light here and one light up there. It just throws everything off. So I've done enough of these jobs to know how to do it and make it look good. So over here, I did it a little bit closer to the wall, just because you only have that tiny little thing, that tiny little column for it to shine off of. You know, sometimes you got to get creative, like going around a gutter. But these lights are awesome. They're rated for, I believe, 50,000 hours, which is, if you use it about 4 hours a day, I think it's like 27 years or something. So they really are permanent lights. And on every light, you can see I screw in with 2 little clips just to make sure they never fall down. Because the lights themselves, they do have a little sticker on the back side of every light, but the clips are there just to ensure if something happens, you know, if the sticker loses its adhesion, that the light's not going to fall down. So, and the clips have stickers on them as well. So, but yeah, these lights are awesome. You can change them for any holiday. You can create your own patterns. Hey, doggy, you know who it is. Yeah, I did the pool house as well. Also proud of the way I ran the wiring on this. So actually, I know it looks like, hey, where does the wire go? This white box, the wire goes through the ceiling, right? I had to use a fish tape and fish this wire to the other side. And then it pops out right here. So there's the wire, pops out from the ceiling. First light starts right there, works its way down and all the way around. So they also have some can lights. Didn't really make it too difficult. Again, you can see how I try and make it look as consistent as possible. Sometimes I'll put the light in the middle, sometimes I won't. It just depends on where the lights land. Yeah, these lights are awesome. I have them on my house. I only have 100 feet on my house, but I might do more. But yeah, so to do all of this, the main house took a 200-foot set to do the front and the sides, and then 100 foot to do the back. And then to do this house took 200, and we had a couple strands left over. So, oh yeah, gets dark early. It's 5:30, it's already dark. But that's my project for today. If you are interested, let me turn around this way. That's my project for today. If you are interested in permanent lighting for your home, give us a call at 615-540-5050 for a free quote. If you install Christmas lights on your house, this is the way to do it. You'll never have to put them up, take them down again. You can use them all year long. They're just so customizable, so much fun. Why keep using these same old outdated Christmas lights? These Govee Pros, they're the way to go. And don't buy the cheap lights. There's a lot of other knockoff brands on Amazon. I like to use high quality stuff. That's why I get the Govee Pros. So, ho, 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 Merry Christmas, everybody.